What if I told you that you could generate $500,000 this year, not from one job, but by stacking 5 proven side hustles that are already making people serious money right now? These aren't gimmicks. These are real, scalable side hustles. And today, I'm going to break them down step by step. So if you're serious about leveling up, grab a pen, take notes, and let's go. 1. High-ticket affiliate marketing. Side hustle number 1, high-ticket affiliate marketing. Most people hear affiliate and think of $5 Amazon commissions. Nope, I'm talking about $500 to $2,000 per sale. Here's the strategy. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Think finance, online business, productivity, or health. Step 2. Partner with high-ticket programs. Platforms like School, ClickFunnels, or coaching courses pay out big. Step 3. Build your personal brand on TikTok, YouTube, or Twitter. Post daily. Focus on short-form videos, storytelling, and results. Then build a simple funnel. Give away value up front, like a free guide or training, and lead people to the offer. Use email marketing to follow up, and once you're dialed in, scale with TikTok or YouTube ads. This one hustle alone can clear $10,000 to $100,000 per month if you're consistent. 2. Airbnb rental arbitrage. Next up, Airbnb rental arbitrage. This one's perfect if you don't want to own property, but still want to make money from real estate. Here's the play. Step 1. Find a city that's Airbnb friendly. Look for demand, tourist traffic, and low vacancy rates. Step 2. Reach out to landlords. Pitch them on why letting you manage their property for Airbnb is a win-win. Some will say no, some will say yes. You only need a few. Step 3. Furnish the space. IKEA, Amazon. Get it done for under $3,000. Then, list it on Airbnb. Automate cleaning with local pros, use a smart lock, and automate guest check-ins. The best part? You can scale to 5, 10, even 20 units without owning a single one. Done right, this can bring in $30,000 a month or more. 3. AI-driven dropshipping. Side hustle number 3, dropshipping but with a twist. Forget the old-school saturated stuff. I'm talking AI-powered product branding and short-form marketing. Here's how you win in 2025. Step 1. Use tools like PPSPI, Sell the Trend, or TikTok's Creative Center to spot trending products. Step 2. Build a clean, fast Shopify store. One product, high converting. Step 3. Create viral UGC ads. But instead of hiring actors, use AI tools like HeyGen, Pika, or Kyber to generate video content. Then launch organic TikToks and test with $20 per day on TikTok ads. Find a winner, scale it fast. Hire a VA, outsource fulfillment, rinse and repeat. This model can hit $5,000 to $50,000 per month and run semi-passively once set up. 4. Digital product empire. Side hustle number 4. Build your digital product empire. Ebooks, swipe files, Notion templates, prompts, mini courses. These are low-effort, high-margin assets that can sell 24/7. Step 1. Find a niche pain point. Example, struggling to stay productive as a remote worker? Step 2. Solve it with a product. You could create a Notion template, a mini course, or a Canva workbook. Step 3. Host it on Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or your own funnel. Step 4. Grow your audience on Twitter, TikTok, or a newsletter. Build trust. Promote the product subtly. Offer bonuses, upsells, or a paid membership later. The best part? You build it once, and it can generate revenue for years. I've seen creators pull in $50,000 a month doing just this. 5 SMMA with niche expertise. Number 5, SMMA, or social media marketing agency. But with a twist, niche down hard. Don't be a generalist. Be the go-to expert for one industry. Med spas, personal brands, solar companies, coaches. Pick one. Here's the play. Step 1. Learn one high-demand skill. Could be short-form editing, UGC content, lead gen, or running Facebook ads. Step 2, create a case study or free demo. Step 3, cold DM or email business owners with a no-brainer offer. Let me bring you 15 leads in 7 days, or it's free. Over-deliver. Collect testimonials. Raise your prices. Once you have 3 to 5 clients, hire contractors to deliver the service, and you become the operator. This model can hit $10,000 to $100,000 per month easily once you build systems. So let's recap. You want to make $500,000 this year? Here's the game plan. Start with high-ticket affiliate marketing to build quick cash flow. Launch a digital product to monetize your audience. Use that income to launch a branded dropshipping store or Airbnb business. Then stack on an SMMA to lock in recurring monthly revenue. The key isn't doing all 5 at once. It's stacking smart. Start with 1, master it, automate it, then move to the next. If I had to start over from scratch with 0 followers, this is exactly what I'd do. Now, if you want me to deep dive into any of these in a full tutorial, just drop a comment. I read every one. And if this helped you, hit that like button. Share this with someone who needs a blueprint. Let's win together. Follow me for more real strategies, not recycled fluff. Let's get that bag this year. I'll see you in the next one.